good thing we're practicing this before our actual house build. Less even, less even. Well, it was in reverse for one. Gosh, okay, right here. This is like when you have a little kid fishing and you let them reel in the fish that you already caught. And you're like, you caught a fish. I caught a fish. So this is going much faster than when we did the workshop side. You had to cut out around all the black metal frame, support. I'm sure that has a specific name, but all those black metal pieces all the way around.
Got bad news.
What?
We're square with the post. We're square with these posts, but we're not square with the roof.
Oh. It's actually off a lot. So then it would probably just rain in the goat pen.
It might. Maybe we forced it out. I think we're off by about 3.5 inches. Because our studs look like they're in the right spot. Or it just isn't square. Maybe our string got messed up when we were digging our holes.
Well, I mean, it's too late to change it now.
No, I think we could take out this pole and redo it.
Okay, so we're gonna leave that where it is. We'll have to come up with some kind of solution.
We're gonna build a roof.
Add a roof?
Maybe.
Our current plan was supposed to be like open air for airflow since it has a roof above it.
So talked about having tin that was tall enough to reach up to the roof. But now if it's not gonna actually hit anything.
That's not good.
It's moot.
We could just make like a little, just like one piece of the roof on this edge to prevent, or like an awning to divert any water that does drip off the roof. We were sad that all of our projects that we ended up having to do have delayed our house build, but it's probably a good thing that we had to do some of these little projects, because this would be way worse if we were doing our actual house.
It would be way worse.
It's looking really good. And a cow's here to see us this morning, hoping for something.
Well, it's gonna require this coming off. But the problem is the screws are behind.
Could it not go underneath?
I mean, it could go like here.
What if we just went underneath that top white part down? Would that look bad though?
Maybe do it.
Not good when it's only 6 a.m. and you're throwing the tape measure.
I took it up there, lined it up with one of those ridges, and then pivoted until I could see where the angle is. Have that mark go to 15 degrees. And this is our angle, right? So then we just need to be able to follow that. The angle's the wrong direction. We cut it. This side up. If white, we're going up. It'll be the right direction. Now we gotta try again.
Got one piece of tin cut. We didn't get it up because it's extremely hard to get the ladders in position. We cut the tin wrong the first time, but we're on track now.
The ladder's still crooked.
I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. Today was not a good and successful morning.
Can't all be winners.
No.
Oh, okay, get out of there. Did they sing you?
No.
Maybe they won't bother you.
This will keep the rain out for sure. It'll work.
Olive, what do you think about all of our progress?
Well, we had our doubts that this was gonna actually work when our ladders were feeling pretty unstable. However, with the use of a crowbar, I was able to climb our more stable ladder and get it up there and do it. And then we had a wasp nest when we were putting it under the metal. Wasps didn't sting us. I didn't fall off the ladder. Finish it up and they won't rain into the goat house.
We are down to the last two things we have to do so that it's usable. We're gonna put up our door that we got from the abandoned house, and then we're gonna make our little goat doggy door.
There, right?
Yeah. Wow, that looks good. Yeah, go. Now you just look tired.
I was tired before I started.
Do you want to be a farmer or not? Farmers wake up at 5.
I'm up and doing it. I must not be a farmer. I woke up at 4:30.
Oh.